Okay, so hey there, I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel, President and CEO of Made in USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of cat urine smells out of your hardwood floors. The materials I'm going to be using today are white distilled vinegar, a soft yellow sponge with scruffy reverse, and some white 2-ply paper towels with no inks on it. First of all, what I'm going to do is take my white distilled vinegar, I'm going to pour it on my yellow sponge. Just pour a little in there. It's all right if you do get some extra on the floors. That's totally fine. Just kind of rub softly, always with the soft side only so you don't damage your wood floors. Back and forth. You can let it soak in a teeny bit. Don't be afraid if you have to repeat this process a couple times because it's one of the worst smells you can ever get out of your home. Just take your white 2-ply paper towel, and that's how you get rid of cat urine smells out of your hardwood floors. I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel with Made in USA.